Our legal term this month is hung jury, and the definition, it is a noun, it's slang, and a hung jury is a deadlocked jury in a criminal case in which there is no unanimous verdict. If the jury is hung, the judge will declare a mistrial, and a new trial is required with a new jury panel. Mitch, elaborate a little bit more about that. We see that a lot on TV, but it really means a lot more than what we understand.
Well, what happens is the jury goes out, deliberates, usually for a day, 2 or 3 days, sometimes depending on how complex the case is, and everybody has to agree. I mean, you have a constitutional right to a unanimous jury. So it may be a misdemeanor, a jury of 6, or with a felony, a jury of 12, but all 12 people have to agree, and if they don't, and if they can't agree, they get a couple of instructions from the judge to go back and to try and to continue to try, but sometimes they just come back and say, we can't agree. And when that happens, obviously they get released, and then we have a period of time to have another trial. It's 90 days, so we usually have a 6-month speedy trial. It's shortened, and we have to give the individual another trial and a second trial. Sometimes that will hang, and we'll have to go then a third time. Usually about the third time, that's 3 strikes.
Yeah,
But sometimes we learn a lot when a jury hangs. They'll talk to us. They'll explain what the problem was. Sometimes it's one holdout juror, and oftentimes the second trial, we don't have any problems getting a conviction. So it's always good to try to get that unanimous verdict the first time, but when it doesn't happen, that doesn't mean we lost the case. Sometimes I think TV shows it that way. We just try it again.
Right.
And when you have forensics, it's rare.